Little Fox.
Bird and Kip. Episode 9. The Fake Person. Kip looked closely at his new friend.
You're right, Bird.
He said.
This is a fake person. But she's still my friend.
No. She's our friend.
Bird said. Just then, they heard a voice.
I lost Ashley!
Cried a girl.
Don't worry,
Said her mom.
we'll find Ashley.
I wonder who Ashley is.
Said Bird.
It's sad that Ashley is lost.
Said Kip.
It sure is.
Said Bird.
I hope they find Ashley! Ashley!
Cried the girl. The girl came running over.
She's going to take our friend.
Cried Kip.
Kip, wait!
Said Bird.
I found Ashley, Mom!
Called the girl.
The fake person is Ashley.
Said Bird.
Oh, well.
Said Kip.
It's sad that we lost our fake friend.
I like real friends better anyway.
Said Bird.
Me too.
Said Kip.
Let's play hide and seek.